All right, so the shop looks a little different from last time. We got a new car, but it is not this G35. That is my buddy's. We did get a toolbox. That's why all the shit's on the floor. And we actually traded the 240 for this E36. So for right now, it has a chassis mount shifter, Condor Speed Shop engine and trans mounts, and I'm in the middle of putting an angle kit on. Waiting on the tie rods for that so we can get ready for Thrash Bash. But today, I got this Brothers Performance Parts steering wheel, lug stud conversion kit, center support bearing, and a rear window. So get back with you when I start installing the steering wheel. First off, I actually really like this steering wheel. A little bit bigger than the UMP. Pretty good deal. Should have really brought power tools. 15 minutes of me taking a steering wheel off. Yeah. Okay, I'll get back.
You guys want to have the new one on?
Alright, got the old wheel off, and I'm going to put the new one on. Persuasion. Alright guys, we got the wheel installed. Pretty good wheel for $100. Adjusted the rear convertible window. Did that off camera because it was terrible. Next time we'll finish up the angle kit, install the center support bearing, and the rest of the studs in the car.